This is the Openhouse Medic Backpack Plus. Now this is a very good bag, lots and lots of room for it. You can adapt it to many, many situations. It's a good advanced bag or any application where you want to just get lots of stuff in and divide it up. So to start with, you've got standard carrying handles that you can carry here, but they also lock together, so it's nice and easy if you know how to carry it for any long length of time. On the side, you've got a shoulder strap, but also on here, you've got another handle at the top. Backpack straps with chest straps and also a waistband as well. So if you're carrying this bag for any long length of time, it's going to stay securely on your back. This bar here, it's just holding those straps in place. If you don't want to use it as a backpack, it keeps it nice and tidy, and you can just secure these out the way, tucking the ends in this little bit here. So if you want to just use it as a conventional bag, not as a backpack, it's nice and simple, and it keeps it's nice and safe. So looking on this side, you've got a window on the front, you can put ID badging in there, and then the bag itself has two key sections. So the first one we'll look at is this. This opens up. So what we've got in here are some pouches. There's also some securing clips at the top here. So three big mesh pouches on the top, and then there's the sealed pouches, and these ones on here, take those out. What you've got is, again, you can configure this as you want. However you want to design it, you can make it up with the right pouches. This one does lots of smaller sections inside it. So if you need to bring ampules, bits and pieces, different medical stuff, it's all available to fit inside there nice and simply. And this other one's a very similar one. You can get these pouches as empty ones, just with a clear front. So if you just want to put dressings and stuff in, you can do that as well. And staying with this section here, see it's got a sort of box here. The reason for that is that's where the oxygen cylinder would go underneath. So once you've got the oxygen cylinder in, you can then access the oxygen cylinder from the section on the end. This should just open up this end here, and then you can access the oxygen nice and simply. Just pull it out so you can adjust it. You're not removing it, it's not getting damaged, it's not getting knocked at all because it's inside the bag. So it's nice and securely in there and held safely. So the pouches themselves, so we've got just two here, but you can have more than that if you want to, slotted in there. The other side of the bag opens up, and in here you've got more pouches. So these are the ones I said earlier with the clear front. This is quite a large pouch. Another one here is a pouch which is a larger one than the ones in the top. And again, they're all padded, the pouches, and they all have a section there where you can actually put ID labels in. So it makes it nice and easy. And so you can see in there's lots of other room for any other bits and pieces that you need. Now with the pouches, as I said earlier, you can configure these as you want. It depends what your uses are. So it's worth thinking about how you're going to be using the bag to find out the best way the bag will suit your needs.